You can make such a dish using just 2 eggs. Stop frying eggs from today.
I wanted to share this amazing dish with you.
My friends, please support our effort by leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and writing thanks in the comments. I would really appreciate it. Thank you in advance.
Carefully separate the yolks of 2 eggs, making sure the yolk does not mix with the egg whites. If the yolk mixes with the egg whites, the dish we are expecting will not turn out as intended. Add salt to the 2 egg yolks according to taste. Add the salt to help with whipping, and mix everything well. Beat the 2 egg whites thoroughly with a mixer. If you mix them on high speed for about 5 minutes, they will become white and fluffy like flour. That's how you'll know it is ready, friends. We mix the egg white, which has become very white like that, with a yolk that has been mixed with salt. If we had mixed it with the yolk earlier, it wouldn't have been as white as it is now. We pour a spoonful of cottonseed oil into the frying pan and, once it gets hot, we spread the oil using a brush. If any area doesn't get oiled, the food will stick there, so we need to oil it well. Pay attention to its smoothness, it becomes very beautiful. Right? It's only 2 eggs, that's all. Amazing, isn't it? Oh my god, pay attention to how beautiful this is, it's amazing. I really liked it a lot. If you also like how it looks, please give it a like. Enjoy your meal, my friends. If you have 2 eggs at home, make sure to try preparing this delicious dish right away. Now we carefully pour the prepared mixture into the hot pan. We spread it evenly so that every part is covered. We don't keep the heat too high, otherwise it may burn quickly. Look how beautifully it is rising and cooking. The color is turning golden and it looks very appetizing. And the smell is really pleasant. Now we gently flip it over and let the other side turn golden as well. It's slowly getting ready. As you can see, even from just 2 eggs, you can make such a beautiful and tasty dish. If you liked it too, make sure to try it and leave your feedback. Enjoy your meal.